All right, Ick. How you doing out there, Aries? Now, I do hope everything is going well out there in La La Land. Now, let's see what's coming up these cards for you today. What Spirit got for you? All right. All right, now you got the star showing right up. Damn, both of them represent a wish. Now, your dreams may be coming true. Sooner than you think. Now, we do have a super full moon in Aries on the 17th. Ugh. Now, is that Mara? We got Hermit coming out here. Yeah. Now, you know, the Hermit searches, you know, is enlightenment. And he's looking at the star. And look at the crossroads. What's behind that? Hierophant. And you got the Ten of Pentacles. It's something that you're working on. Now, it do look like a lot of money. You see the elevation? Now, this is something new. It could be a new job. But it could be so many things that you're working on. It could be working on itself. I know it's so crazy that Spirit was telling me, like, you know, I look at DIYs a lot, y'all. And I really do. Now, I love interior decorating. But it's something that draws me to the construction of it all. How they renovate these old houses and beautify them again. Now, I really think in some type of symbolic way, it's me looking at something so broken and beat and worn be restored to something so beautiful. And I really thinking I'm looking at that as the human body and the psyche. And you know how these people just breathe life back into these old buildings. And you know, I heard once before that you know, when people abandon buildings, you know, they start to deteriorate because they're not lived in anymore. You know, like if, say for instance, when people go on vacation, they cover up their stuff and they come back and it be spider webs. You've been gone just a little while. And you can see the difference. Now, I don't know what that means for anybody else, but I just feel like this is what's going on. A lot of construction to the physical as well as the mental. Well, let's see. What you breathing life back in. Now, when I came in here to do the reading, I heard extra, extra, read all about it. Now, I know a lot of y'all might not be familiar with that slogan, but that's how they used to sell newspapers back in the day. Oh, God. Now, we got the tower. Now, this does represent something good. This is a good tower. You know, it's about jobs and things of that nature. It's the Six of Swords as well, moving to smoother border. Now, this is all about school, business, trade. And maybe that's what you're searching. Higher education, employment, key information. It could be a promotion. But let's see. Let me see what the Hermit is talking about. I don't know. Whatever you want it to be, boo, it looked like this what it is. Everybody got something different going on. However, I think we're all looking for that restoration. You know? Let's see. And you got this star at the bottom of the deck. So that's showing up for you twice. Now we have the bear. Now he represents stability. He associated with the Ten of Wands. That's hard work. And you have the anchor, which is giving me stability. Now it is associated with the Nine of Swords. And I think this is what this hermit is talking about. Because it just looked like you're searching for this. Stability. Legacy. Extra, extra, read all about it. It's like, this is big, you know. You know, when they said extra, extra, read all about it, it was something going on. Front page news. Let me see. Front page news. Star power. Now, I don't know how many times. Now, you got tempting taste over here. Now, it's telling you to chase the glow. I think it's whatever this tempting taste is. I really don't see it as something that's negative. However, you might be breaking down something. How I want to say it, you know, you might be cutting back on, you know, fast foods. That could be it too. Because I did talk a lot about restoration. Yeah. Now you gotta seek the truth right here. A shiny facade often conceals a fragile core. Beware of temptations that seem too perfect. Now it do look like you about to take flight. Let me see. I think I need to pull from my other deck as well. Let's see what this is. Give us a little bit more about this facade. Now you got savings coming out here right on this money. And something that you need to listen wisely to. Now I do think that these cards came out in the reading on my other channel. I'm pretty sure of it. Let me see. Oh, there we go. Home base, change your environment. Now, it's so crazy. I was talking about those houses, and here they go. And it's a tower and tempting taste. Now, maybe some of y'all buying houses. Now, it's so crazy. Why am I talking about this so much? Now, I was looking at, I just found this other dude channel. Now, he really loves Art Deco. How about a win-win for Shelly when he really get to fixing this place up? But anyway, the way he talk about his channel is so educational because, of course, he's restoring the old house that he bought in Philly. However, you know, it's a lot of people doing that and flipping houses. I'm just wondering how many corners they cut. And because this is their first time doing it. You understand what I'm saying? But I think that he's gonna live in his house now. I don't know. It's something about him I feel so drawn to. It's something about him. The way he present himself is just so good. If I remember his name the next time I'll mention it. I don't remember it this time. But anyway, he want to see what's going on behind the walls, because if you look at DIYs like I do, these people discover all kinds of mishaps. So I think it's a win-win in that. And he's an architect. It's like he got some skills, you know? I really enjoy that channel. Now we got love life here. Now maybe that's going on something with the facade. And it said, what it said, a shiny facade. And look what he got on, y'all. It just give me pimp mode, like Huggy Bear. What's going on, boo? Now, of course, I'm using a house for instance right here. You're going to have to unravel it to see how it apply to you. It's just a metaphor, but it really might be going on, boo. Very interesting. Very interesting. Now you got the public face want to show up here. Extra, extra. Read all about it. Now, it didn't come out all the way, so I'm going to do it again, but it did slap and make it want to be seen. Extra, extra. Read all about it. Alright, we're going to take that one. Now, you do have some type of guardian angel with you. Fast changes. Take bold steps forward. Now maybe this something was anchored. You know, because the 9 of Swords and the Tower, guardian angels. Get what you want. Showing up at the bottom of the deck. Listen wisely. Let me see. Now you got the Magician on the star. This is big. Now you know the Magician has the ability to see through the facade. Now I want to also say that it's also lined up with tempting taste and change your environment. And again, this house and this environment could be your own vessel, boo. So let's see. Because look, we do have the home card here. Cups. Now it is cups. Tempting taste. Let me see. The Queen of Cups. Cups, cups, cups. And she right next to the Magician and the Tower. Now it did say that you get what you want, boo. Cups always represent love. So this is something new. But let's see. Do you got a runner? Or are you chasing something? However, it is big changes, fast changes. That represents fast changes as well. Let me see. The cup is back. 6, 7 of Pentacles and 6 of Pentacles. Now, I want to say this facade is coming from this. Let me see. Now, it doesn't have to necessarily come from anybody. You can be the one. A facade is just like a mask. It's just like painting over water damage. I don't know where these metaphors are coming from. You know, let me see. Let me see. Temperance. Spirit really been having me trying to figure out what's going on with these cards, y'all. Really. It's like, what is going on? Yeah, I want to say that, you know, sometimes when we're in desperate situations, we do desperate things. And remember, only take what resonates and leave the rest. Everybody ain't out here living their best life, y'all. Now you got strength card here. And a home base. I do see some good news coming. I think what was once anchored is being released. Whether that be your mind. Justice. Right here on the Queen of Cups and the Tower. Now I want to say the facade is on love life. Now I know there's a lot of people out here that ain't even in a relationship, so that part ain't for you, boo. Alright? But something is definitely growing in regards to work. There's a lot of money out here on the deck. And she looking at justice in the facade in love life. Ooh, somebody see something. You see how she looking at that candle? Somebody see through the facade of somebody. Huggy bear. You see through it? Yeah, you see through them, boo. And both of them represent something new. And again, I'm telling you, this Aries super full moon is all about relationships, y'all. There's a lot of, you're gonna send a lot of people packing if you ain't sent them already. Now, and if you ain't got nobody in your life that you're worrying about a relationship, it's gonna make you think about the relationship you have with the self. Yeah, there's a big purge going on. And your emotions probably all over the cotton picking place, as is mine. I see a lot of changes to the house, to your house. Now we got the 9, and you're standing up for yourself. Yeah, and look, 44 at the bottom of the deck. It's giving me North Node. Divine guidance, protection. I just feel like you're on the right path. You're on the right track. Have patience with yourself. You know, nobody gets it right all the time. If you stumble, you fall, get back up, try again. Now you got the Page of Wands here. Now, you know, I like the Page of Wands because he's very playful, energetic. athletic. It's right here on temperance and saving. It's creativity. I like it. It's like I don't never see the Page of Wands come out. I even almost forgot the little guy exists. Ooh, somebody's tapping into their inner child. Like I never see the Page of Wands. I don't think so. I gotta look at my deck and see if it even exists. Oh. If it's still there, I mean, I'm like, I don't never see it. And look, the Hermit. It's in reverse, y'all. The Hermit goes in isolation. Somebody's coming out. As is this money. And look at the King of Wands at the end. This is you. I tell you, boy. Somebody. Now, next summer, I just feel like somebody is going to be. It's like a lot of people going to be like, is that you? I just feel it. It's like, oh my God. Oh, girl, you still look good. I just feel like, I don't know what is going on, but I see some restoration. I see some upgrade, y'all. Yeah. All right. All right. That's your message, boo. That's all I got for you. 222 on the clock. As I said that. Oh my goodness. That is balance. Shine the bright like a diamond, boo. All right. That's your message.